Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese pizza using an easy method. We'll start with a store-bought pizza dough, which saves a lot of time and effort. First, lightly flour your countertop or a large cutting board. Then, carefully unroll or stretch your dough into a round shape, aiming for about 12 inches in diameter. This simple step sets the foundation for your perfect pizza, making the process enjoyable and stress-free for everyone. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the delicious toppings. Take about 1/2 cup of your preferred pizza sauce and spread it evenly across the dough, leaving a small border of about 1 inch around the edges for a perfect crust. Next, generously sprinkle 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This creates a rich, gooey layer that is the heart of any great cheese pizza, ensuring every bite is full of flavor. To enhance the flavor, add a small pinch of dried oregano and a light drizzle of olive oil over the cheese. These simple additions elevate the taste profile significantly. Now, carefully slide your pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake it in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Once your pizza is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes on a wire rack. This brief resting period allows the cheese to set, preventing it from sliding off when you cut it. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your masterpiece into 8 equal pieces. Serve your delicious, homemade cheese pizza right away and savor every warm, cheesy bite with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.